Hello, it's John and thank you for clicking on my channel. Well, the trials and tribulations of the Tilley lamp. I did find that it was leaking at a seal which I didn't replace. I didn't think the seal would fit. Anyway, I put the seal in some hot water and I managed to get it on. So we're all okay now, hopefully. So I'm going to light the Tilley lamp, and what you do, you pump up a little bit of pressure in the paraffin tank, and then you turn the lamp on, which sends paraffin up the vaporizing tube and into what I call the combustion chamber, and that sets a flame out like a Bunsen burner. But first of all, you've got to preheat the brass chamber, and it does take a little bit of preheating. That's before it'll light, because it's vaporized paraffin that catches fire. Now, I haven't put a mantle in because I just want to try it and see if it works. And that's got a little wick in it where I've soaked in methylated spirits. So see if it lights. And now it's flaming up. I'll turn the light off. And that should be getting the vaporizer hot. I've put the preheater on for a second time, just to make sure it gets nice and hot. Feel the heat come from there. So now I'll try and turn it on. And you can see the Bunsen burner, as I call it, come on. Take the preheater out and blow it out. Give it another 20 or so pumps. And this is sending paraffin up the tube, and it's getting into the vaporizer, and it's just paraffin vapor that's actually burning. And I hope you can see that. Well, I don't think it looks too bad, does that flame? So what I need to do next is to put a mantle, wait until it cools down and put a mantle on even. So that's what we'll do next. I've put my mantle on my burner, a little bit of faffing about, but it wasn't too bad. And if you get a genuine mantle from Tilley, there's the full instructions go with it, so that makes things simpler. So put it back together. Put the handle on. Give it a few pumps. About 10, I believe it is. And put my preheater on. Just wipe my hands on a rag. I don't want to set fire to my fingers. And put my mess well out of the way. You feel the heat already. It's heating up nicely. Apparently you have to give them plenty of time to warm up, and then it gives the paraffin chance to vaporise, otherwise it just don't work. So give it a go. And that's the paraffin coming through. Now I've got it lit, I'm just pumping. I reckon about 40 times actually. Take my preheater away. Hey, we have blast off, and I can hear it hissing away like a good one. So we'll just turn the light off and see what it's like. Oh, yeah. Well, I think that's fairly successful. Obviously with these lamps they're going to be a bit more delicate and they take a bit more maintenance than a hurricane lamp, but it is brighter. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.